Since we're not using any food processing equipment today, we're gonna have to exercise our knife skills. Peel and chop one carrot. Run your knife through it again and again just to make sure we achieve carrot confetti. Do the same for a turnip, green onions, and some shiitake mushrooms. We just want them to be roughly the same size. Once that's done, get your prawns and chop them finely. Get your ground pork and do the same. We're trying to achieve a paste-like consistency for the filling so that it'll be easier to wrap later. Once all your ingredients are chopped, transfer everything into a bowl and mix. Don't forget to add an egg to bind all our ingredients together. Mix this all up with a clean and sanitized hand. Let's season this with a teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Add some black pepper too. Now, with a spatula, mix this all up and let it cool in the fridge for about 30 minutes so that the mixture sets. 30 minutes have passed, we can now make our lumpia. I have here lumpia wrapper. You can get this in your local supermarket or even your palengke. Just ask politely and I'm sure they'll have it. To form a lumpia, place a small amount of the mixture in the middle. Roll it, then get the two sides of the wrapper and place it on top. Then continue rolling it until the end and seal the end of the wrapper with some water. Then tada! You just made your lumpia. Good job! To cook your lumpia, get your frying pan preheating with about an inch of oil. We cook this low and slow just to make sure that the filling gets cooked and the wrapper gets nice and crispy. This could probably take 4 to 5 minutes on each side. We want this to be golden brown. Once the color is good, transfer into a container to drip any excess oil and our pork lumpia Shanghai is done.